Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Smart Money Concepts indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The Smart Money Concepts indicator displays real-time market structure, internal and swing break of structure BOS, change of character CHOCH, order blocks, premium and discount zones, equal highs and lows, and much more, allowing traders to automatically mark up their charts with widely used price action methodologies. The Smart Money Concept, SMC, is a relatively new yet widely used term amongst price action traders looking to more accurately navigate liquidity and find more optimal points of interest in the market. Trying to determine where institutional market participants have orders placed, buy or sell side liquidity, can be a very reasonable approach to finding more practical entries and exits based on price action. The indicator includes alerts for the presence of swing structures and many other relevant conditions. Before buying and selling based on the Smart Money Concepts indicator, traders need to know the actual market trend. Traders can see automatic CHO and BOS labels to highlight breakouts of market structure, which allows for determining the market trend. Also, traders can see equal highs and lows EQL labels plotted alongside the internal structure to frequently give indications of potential reversals. First, let me show you how to buy using the Smart Money Concepts indicator in an uptrend market. To buy with the Smart Money indicator, traders need to be looking for buy entry at each green bullish break of structure in an uptrend. Once there's a bullish breakout of the structure, then traders can execute a long position. The dotted green BOS line is suitable for bullish scalping and day trading positions, while the tick green horizontal BOS line is suitable for a bullish swing trading position. Traders can then place their stop loss at the last higher-low swing that resulted in the bullish break of structure in the uptrend. Traders need to target the red order blocks above. Now, let me show you how to sell by using the Smart Money Concepts indicator in a downtrend market. To sell with the Smart Money indicator, traders need to be looking for sell entry at each red bearish break of structure in the downtrend. Once there's a bearish breakout of the structure, then traders can execute a short position. The dotted red BOS line is suitable for bearish scalping and day trading positions, while the tick red horizontal BOS line is suitable for a bearish swing trading position. Traders can then place their stop loss at the last lower high swing that resulted in the bearish break of structure in the downtrend. Traders need to target the blue order blocks below. Now let's see how to use the indicator to confirm a buying setup in the market. As we can see in this uptrend, price made a bullish close above the green BOS line in the uptrend. Time to buy. We will place our stop loss at the low of the last swing higher low structure here. We will target 2 risk-to-reward ratios. Let's patiently wait to see how the buy trade goes. Our take profit hit. Now let's see how to use the indicator to confirm a selling setup in the market. As we can see in this downtrend, price made a bearish close below the red BOS line in this downtrend. Time to sell. We will place our stop loss at the high of the last swing lower high structure here. We will target 2 risk-to-reward ratios. Let's patiently wait to see how the sell trade goes. Our take profit hit. As you can see, this indicator highlights all relevant components of Smart Money Concepts, which can be a very useful interpretation of market structure, liquidity, and power tool for price action traders.